Wonderful. Well, you just gotta come up in the world. Anyway, I don't do Muppet shows anymore. This is interesting. Oh, this is interesting. Well, today I'm going to relate the tale of the Easter Bunny. You know who gets as much mail as Santa does? Every year it's the same. Some kids ask for colored eggs, others for toy bunnies and candy. A lot of kids ask questions. A lot of people are like, why do we color eggs at Easter? We made the first egg, the first stuffed toy. Why are Easter eggs called lilies? I bet a lot of you wrote it. Now, I can answer all your questions for you. So you wish to know about the Easter Bunny, huh? Well, I'm going to relate the tale. This tale started many years ago, long ago, when a rabbit decided to start a successful egg-laying business. He had everything. He had the chickens, he had the egg farm, he had everything. What he needed was a place to sell it in. I knew the nearest town was over Big Rock Mountain. So I knew of a place called Town or Town, but I knew there was an egg to steal or buy anywhere. I'll go there. Anyway. The rabbit hopped over the hill. He ran into this horrible monster who wanted those eggs. The rabbit was so scared he ran away. This town was the most miserable, unfriendliest place in the whole world. Nobody laughed. Everybody dressed in black and pretty clever and small. This place was ruled by that evil, horrible King Jack. He was so mean when you would imagine. Anyway, rabbit knew he needed to get those eggs over mountain itself. So he asked his advisors, and they colored the eggs. See, they're disguised. That dumb monster won't know what they are. This rabbit had no idea they were starting a tradition. Anyway, the monster scared him. Any more eggs, bunny rabbit? Doesn't even a lot of colors, still to sell the paperweights. What do I want with stones? I live on Big Rock. I want eggs. You go back and give eggs. Some other time. Bye. Anyway, right to the hill of town. And everyone was happy with the eggs, including King Jack's master son. Prince Jack Jr. Wow, what is this? Easter egg. Why an Easter egg? It'll just pretend colors and give you on Easter. Well, if this is an Easter egg, you must be the Easter Bunny. Nobody called that before. I'm the prince, so why do you say goes? How do you eat them? Like an ordinary egg? Well, I guess they're not ordinary. I guess there should be a ritual. What ritual? Well, let's see. First, you hold it up and you look at it. You say, "Woo! Isn't it pretty? Ooh, isn't it pretty?" You look concerned and say, "Seems a shame to eat it. Seems a shame to eat it." You sort of think it over and you say, "Heck, that's what Easter eggs are for. Heck, that's what Easter eggs are for." You peel off the colored shell. You're a real Easter egg expert. You get it all in one piece. I'm an expert. Now do we eat them? Not the whole darn thing at once. First you kind of nibble on the white. Then you got nothing left with the yolk. Consider it. Study it. Sniff it a little. There's a lot of passion and color in it. There it goes. Ah, delicious. Who should come? The rabbit left, but what do you think they're doing? Oh, what egg? Ha! Wait a moment. This is a real egg. You know that beans are the only food allowed. The Easter rabbit loves it. You must pass a new law immediately. We must pass a new law immediately. Only eggs are strictly forbidden. No, immediately. So be it. Well, that rabbit felt so bad, he decided to create Easter egg. He worked with his advisors to try to create Easter egg, Easter bean. Well, that day failure. One day, delicious, and then jelly beans. We need a lot more eggs. We should come. Bah! More colored stones. I hate colored stones. Rabbit! Oh no! All their hard work for nothing. Well, they thought they had most of those colored eggs. They're pretty dumb. Well, that rabbit said they were having so much fun, he decided to hide the eggs. That rabbit Easter rabbit knew he had to figure out a way to get over the mountain. That I needed was his advisors. He worked all night long. Who should come? And eat more eggs! And we rabbits were so scared he ran right to the outskirts of Bunnyville. And suddenly he saw a whole bunch of rabbits wearing brightly colored clothes. That one was so scared he ran off running. Once we heard of him, he was heading off west. Everyone was so happy with their eggs. It was a little later. What's this? More Easter eggs? I don't believe it. How dare this happen? Sound the alarm! Get that rabbit! Throw him in the torture chamber! The rabbit's going this in time. I was at work all night long. And we also had the candy maker with a secret weapon. Whoa, what's your hurry? Easter's almost here. Never did see so much activity. I know, even if we do this stuff to tell, King Jack would just get some more past it, all hard work for nothing. Well, I think that Prince Jack Jr. should be the ruler. He should just take a stand. He's the right one with him. No, well, he just can't stand up to his father. He's afraid to bring the earth with him. I got it. I'm going to the town. It was all worth it. So now you know why people roll eggs on the hill. Get that Easter bunny! That's why super weapon comes in. Nana, can't get me! Ha ha ha! He's hiding in that paper bag! First we got that tackle they found out was a chocolate Easter bunny! We had a trick! Off his head! You know what it was? First chocolate Easter bunny. Everyone had more fun. They had the first Easter parade with their new outfits. Who should come? What is that? I can't wait to see. Stuffed Easter toys. I always have friends to encourage. You make friends so happy. Well, I wish I could make everyone else in town happy. Well, why don't you? You always have to speak up. That means you can't break too much. I give you permission to come to town anytime, any way you wish. Don't you dare! Stand up. Can't you know? I'm a friend. Well, I know I outrank you, Father. I find it difficult to do so right now. I give you hard-bosh. Do anything you wish. This Easter must not happen next year. Well, it's baking town, and they decided to hire a trade. And the Easter was going to come to town. A trade? What do you mean? You leave it to me. I was one of the best gaming dancers in town. I sold fresh for a guy that leaves charge. Also, the birds of Barbertown with an SOS call for help. All the old buddies, the best candy dancers in town. They'll lay a rock over a big rock candy vault. Rock candy vault. You guys go down like you got to sweep the Yule World. Well, they had the train. Then they would go to the mountain. Quick, when the road begins at time, spread that melted butter all over the rails. That stupid engine will slip its wheels and be here all day. Ha 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 ha! We're slipping. Need traction. These will do. Watch your jellybeans as sticky as they can get. How dare they succeed? Rasp! Blast! What do we do now? They want us a soul? Soul? For what? All the Easter eggs we're going to get to eat. And when the Easter bunny come to town, it's part of tradition, the kids and old folks, Easter eggs, jellybeans, and chocolate rabbits, and chocolate candies, every kind of Easter thing with that. And the Easter bunny gave everybody a ham dinner at the end. And King John was bashed forever because he was, well, evil. So the son Prince Jack Jr. became king and ruled peacefully for many years to come. And everybody lived happily ever after. The end. Anyway, they eat you up. Oh no, don't eat me. You should try my other brother. He's more bigger than I am. I'll be off with you. I'll wait for the second bully goes rough. Then the second bully goes rough. Came across the bridge. Trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap. Who's that trapping over my bridge? Only medium-sized bully goes rough. I'm coming to eat you up. Oh, don't eat me. You should try my brother. He's more big, he's got a lot of meat on him. I'll be off with you. I'll wait for the third bully goes rough. The two should call. Trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap. Who's that trapping on my bridge? It's I, great big Billy Goat Gruff. I'm coming to eat you. Oh, come along then. I got more buddy power like one of that. The third Billy Goat knocked the troll off the bridge into the water where the troll drowned. The three Billy Goats Gruff. The old resting from that side of the meadow. The troll never wanted anybody ever again.